Hi there, in this video we'll be taking a look at this YATO YT-10671 adapter set. Does it tell us anywhere exactly what it has in here? Yes, it tells us right here, but let me rip the protection of it. So we have here all the sizes. In theory, by those you can more or less make any combination that you want. For me, oh, silica gel in here, wasn't expecting that for sure. For me, what I needed to do, basically, I have this to use on the spark plugs on my car, and I have this which is a low torque. It goes up to 24 Newton meters, and yeah, nothing. And it's not the first time I needed such an adapter. Whoa, this actually even has the huge one, and my daughter keeps coming in and out. Okay, I never saw these things so big. Normally this is the highest size that I use. Cool. I kind of need something to go on what? Don't they go on what I need? I think they go. Okay, so this goes here, locked. Next size. Oh, I'm pressing for nothing. Where's the ball? Here's the ball. And now we are locked on this one, and we have what we need. Yeah, maybe an extension is also required. Maybe it's not a good idea to do something like this, but I need to, because this is the only one that I have that can do the required torque. The other one is much too big for this, and this is the only socket that I also have for this job. I also have this thingy, but torque this one if you can, so not ideal. Yep, and I'm going to start to use this thing, so we'll see how it goes. This is the abomination that I'm using to torque this. Again, I went to 24 and then one more spin all around, so in theory I did one more Newton meter, but this normally is only up to 24, so I'm just guessing that I'm at 25. I think I am, but I can never know for sure. And now let's do this and see how it goes, just so you can hear it work. Using the adapter in a different situation, I need to torque the oil filter cover on a Ford C-Max to 25 Newton meters. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah, I kind of need both hands one more time to stabilize this thing, because it's a really weird setup. Can't really show you, but believe me, it did click, but no, I risk damaging something with only one hand. But it did click, so it is tightened at the required torque. And we're back. So where are they? Couldn't find them. These two did exactly what they were supposed to do. Now I want to tell you something. I saw some online reviews. I'm not sure which one of these. Somebody put a review, maybe this one, that this was basically broken right here, sheared completely, or maybe the smaller one. I don't know. What I want to explain, maybe some people don't realize this, although it's kind of common sense. You have different sizes, because with each one of them you can apply different level of force. So if you go with this one and downsize it to here, you are applying more force than this size was designed to take. If you are crazy and you go even lower, you will break this. This will allow you to break this without hesitation. So when you are downsizing, take that into consideration, that normally for this size you would use a much smaller tool in size. Maybe even use your hand up from here, so you have less torque. But yeah, again, tread carefully. When you are upsizing, the force is limited by this tool, so it might in some situations not be enough, depending on how much you are upsizing. These things are fairly hard to put in, but that means that also when they are locked, they stay in here really well. So there's that. You can upsize like this, but these adapters are heavier than the wrench itself, the ratchet. So yes, consider all of this. You can do crazy stuff with these things if you really insist. That doesn't mean it's okay what you are doing. So I started with this small one and ended up with the same small one. Just added a bunch of loose stuff in here. So yeah, the tools, my opinion, exactly for what I used them, they are really good. I have zero complaints whatsoever. They lock in here honestly much more than I would prefer them to lock. It's quite hard to take them apart, but it is what it is. If you yank on them, ooh, these two I think actually locked in here a bit too much, so I cannot even yank them. Yeah, I yanked them, so I think this is here now. Consider what you are doing. Again, tools, adapters, not tools, are really good in my opinion, but a bit of common sense is required when using them. But for me, they are a godsend. I will keep them close at hand, because many times again I needed something big like this, but I had only space for this little fellow. I didn't need the force that this can deliver. I thought that this could deliver was enough, but yeah, do it if you can. You cannot. So that's the idea. And they did allow me to use this for my and I forgot to tighten it, but this is a separate video and I will show that in its own video. Never keep a torque wrench torque top, so go to 0. I forgot to do that for a few days, so not good at all. Anyway, they allow me to do what I need, and I highly recommend you have one of these around. Weird, so when you open it you have the text, so everybody knows what you are using. Okay. A bit of commercial in there. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, but in my opinion it's fairly straightforward. They are decent and they are worth to have around. And yeah, as always, please subscribe, check out my other videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.